Hey, good morning, DixieThumper. Just wanted to talk a little bit about these milk shells. So we have these milk shells made up, and I say milk. They're milk stands for, I think it's Meth's Ingenious Lift Charge, MILC. It is a core that utilizes a smokeless powder blank that goes inside of this shell. I had these shells made up. The contractor that did it, they went over on the specs, so they only fit 2 launchers. They only fit the TAC 79 and the B&T GL 06 37 millimeter. These are 37 millimeter shells. I will be offering these heads and stuff soon as well. They fit, as you can see, they fit really well. And this is what the core looks like. I don't offer the cores, unfortunately. I'm working on a solution for that. They are a little tiny bit raised right here. It's just because the core is turned, as the radius on the inside is not perfectly square, so when it fits down in here, it kind of hits that rim a little bit. But I've tested them. They work in the TAC 79. They've been tested in the GL 06, and they work. That's what the inside looks like. You can look online for the MILC 2.0, and you can find videos on Odyssey from LauncherPope. LauncherPope.com is where you can get these cores. I think right now he's out of them, but email him, let him know you want some if you want to buy some of these shells. These are roughly 2.5 inches, 2.46, they're millimeters. And they will they have a 39.5 millimeter outside diameter and 36.3 millimeter inside diameter, and the rim is 43 millimeters, so it does fit all the launchers that I mentioned. When I get the new batch in, these will be 38 on the outside, and they will be 35 and a half on the inside, so it's a 1.5 millimeter wall, which is a good thick wall to last you a long time. I believe these are 60, 64, or 60, 75 aluminum. I'll have to look up the specs. And again, I will have these projectiles and stuff available. These are actually made for LED lights right now for a friend of mine. He wanted some that would he could launch and use to see with night vision, goggles and whatnot. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify these cones so they can be used for chalk. These pushers are reusable. They're heavy duty. Let's see if I can get one off here. You know what, I don't have to get one off. I just have one freshly printed right over here. So this one was printed. This is just the support. It'll pop right out. So this is recessed in here, but that's what those look like. They are threaded. The cones are heavy duty for the LED model, so I will reduce the inside up here in the front so they'll crush on impact for chalk. For anybody who wants to do chalk, but this is a solid shell. You can kind of see how solid it is. Throw it down there. And it's got good heft to it, so you can actually put some hot glue in the bottom of these if you wanted to, and that'll add a little weight as well. These will stabilize. This design I've had no issues with. I will be doing some testing with the milk in particular soon with these rounds here, and I'll have some data feedback for that. Anyway, these are available on eBay. They're available on Gunbroker, TaxSwap, GAFS Hub. I'm there. Reach out to me, contact me. You can even reach out through YouTube and contact me if you want. I do direct sales. I've got them 16 a piece with free shipping. Prefer that you order at least 3 or 4 of them so I don't get eaten alive on the free shipping. Otherwise, I have to raise the prices. If you want 10 or more, mention it here that you saw the video here and you like the 10 or more deal, and I'll get it to you for 150 for 10. That's 15 a piece, and that would be with free shipping. Okay, so appreciate it, guys. We've got a few of them left over here, and once I get through this first order, then these are how they come right here, and that's what they look like. Once I get through this first order, then I can order the new batch, and they'll be 38, like I said, and they'll fit every launcher. So let us know. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.